ocean is the origin of life on Earth, where all living beings are living in harmony. Manage it wisely. Island patrols, fishery law enforcement, coastal defense patrols, high-altitude flights, large area inspection coverage, high-resolution tri-sensor pod, identifying locking and tracking of the target, improving work efficiency, multidimensional environmental monitoring of multiple equipment loads, all-weather, high-frequency, data collection, real-time monitoring, visual display analysis, 5G smart cloud platform enables ecological management, refined observation of marine scientific research, Level 7 wind resistance to meet the needs of operations, safer and stable landing of moving base, diversification of air-sea observation and data analysis, provide more detailed and accurate information. Ziyan Unmanned Helicopter in action, provide sustainable management solutions to protect marine resources with green technology.